Hello there! Today we'll be creating this travel journal. The cool thing about this is that we have filled it with lots of differing types of paper. The covers are canvas panels too, so it's quite robust. So first we're going to need some paper. We have used coloured craft paper, marker paper, mixed media paper, construction paper, canvas sheets, black paper and even some brown paper. So we have lots of paper choices if required. So as well as the paper we are using, we'll also need a pack of 12.7 by 17.8 centimetre canvas panels, a pencil, scissors, a drill and a 5mm drill bit, an F-clamp and some string. We'll also use this length of tie wire to help us thread the string through the holes in the journal. To paint the cover, we are using the 12-piece acrylic paint set, a tear-off paper palette and a handful of smallish brushes. Once we have decided on the paper we want in our journal, we need to cut it to size. We use the panel as a template and cut the paper to size using scissors. Once the paper is all cut out, we neatly stack it in between the two canvas panels. Ensure they are knocked up and the pile is hanging over the table approximately 2 centimetres. We then clamp it with an F-clamp. Make sure that you place something between the panel and the jaws of the F-clamp to avoid damaging the top panel. We then drill a series of holes 1 centimetre apart. Stay inspired and don't miss a video from us. Subscribe and leave a comment below with what you'd like us to create next. We'd love to hear from you. Next we take that tie wire and loop the string through one end and place some string through the eye and then feed it through the holes. Once the last hole has been reached, pull it all tight and tie it off. And that's how easy it is to make. We can leave the journal like that, or we can personalise it. You could paint your own design, or you can use the one that we have painted onto our journal. This printout can be found on our webpage. First, we create a light grey from titanium white with a touch of black. We then darken the mix with a little more black and painted in the distant mountains. This colour can be painted into the reflection too. Next, a colour made from yellow ochre, lemon yellow and vermilion is painted into the next set of mountains. We then created a lighter tone using titanium white, lemon yellow and a touch of yellow ochre, and paint this into the highlight areas of the mountain. The sun is painted with this colour also. closest mountains, a red oxide colour is mixed from burnt sienna and vermilion. This is then lightened with a touch of titanium white, and the reflected range is painted in too. A light blue is created from titanium white and phthalo blue, and an area in the centre of the canvas is covered. The trees in the foreground can be put in with lamp black. Cover the corner first and then lay in any tree trunks, and then dab on the foliage. Once the black is dry, a dark green mixed from phthalo blue and lemon yellow can be laid over the foliage. If you're into projects like this one, subscribe to Creative Connection. You can get heaps of inspo, ideas, tips, tricks, and they're all delivered directly to your inbox for free. Now we have our own versatile art journal that we can throw in a bag and take anywhere to sketch with, paint with, or just jot down some ideas. If you like this project, we've got loads more on our website. Jump online to check out our Create blog and sign up with the Creative Connection to get lessons, inspo, tips, and more sent directly to your inbox. Staying inspired doesn't have to cost a cent.